Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and this is Miss Cali Cat. Miss Cali Cat. Hey baby girl. Isn't she cute little smudge nose? Love her. She's my snuggle bug. Alright, y'all, guess what came today? I'm so excited. My Rocksbox came. I love the jewelry. Love the jewelry subscriptions. It does come in a cute little mailer. It says your favorite mail has arrived. Y'all, I love this. This is not so much a jewelry subscription, but a jewelry rental. You pay $21 a month and then you get a box. It has 3 items in it. You wear them for as long as you want, or if you don't like any of them, you send it straight back. They'll send you another one. As soon as they get it, they're going to send you another one out. So you can get several in a month if you want. And I think that's great. I think it's great that it's really an update on your jewelry, but you don't get stuck with all the jewelry that you're bored of, or, you know, sometimes you just want to wear things once or twice and then you're done with it. And then you got to figure out how you're going to store all this stuff. This solves that problem. I love it. And if there's something you cannot part with, you can buy it. And that $21 a month will be credited to anything you buy within that month. Now, it doesn't roll over to the next month. So if you don't use that $21, you lose it. But still, $21 for 3 pieces of jewelry. I think it is a great way to, you know, have some fun with some jewelry. See what kind of styles you like, what you don't like. They do have favorites lists, like a wish list. You can go on there and kind of select the type of stuff that you like. If you don't wear earrings, you can tell them not to send you earrings. If you're not a bracelet girl, same difference. I mean, it's really cool. I really like it. If you only wear gold, you can tell them to only send you gold or silver, whatever. I tell them to send me whatever because I really wear everything. They call you gorgeous. Hey, gorgeous. What happens next? Rock your stylish picks. Wear your pieces for as long as you like. If you love it, buy it. If you don't want to part with something, purchase your favorites with your monthly $21 membership credit, and you can go in there and rate it. So if they send you something you're not actually in love with, you kind of give it a lower rating and tell them why you don't like it as much. Or if you absolutely love it, tell them you absolutely love it. Kind of lets them know what you want to be sent in the future. And then you send it all back. The envelope is resealable. They send you a return label. You pop it on there, send it back. Not a big deal. Super easy. They also do send you what you're going to get that month, and you have the choice to swap them out. If you see that you're going to hate something or not want it, swap it out for something different. Normally I don't do that because I want to see really what I like. Sometimes I don't think I like something, and then when I put it on, I love it. So I really have to kind of just let them send what they're going to send. Now, I do have a few brands that I know I love, like Kendra Scott. I know I love Kendra Scott stuff. So, you know, they've probably seen that I've bought a few Kendra Scott items because it is a pretty good deal. Now, this month, I let them send me something. Whoa, Callie almost fell down. My kitties are like me, they're a little overweight. So she is not the most graceful cat, y'all. You know, they say all cats are balanced and graceful, all that good stuff. They're not. She is not. Anyway, back to the Kendra Scott item. It's $128. I could never pay that much for a piece of jewelry, but I'm gonna get to wear it for as long as I want for only $21. I just think that's so cool. And that's just one piece. There's 2 more pieces in there. We'll get to that as I open them, which we're gonna do right now. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. Yay. And then the return label is in the very bottom. Of course, I can't show the front because, you know, it's got my address. They come in these lovely pouches. They suggest that you clean the jewelry with these pouches. Just wipe it off. Everything is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go ahead and see what's inside, because I'm excited for this really expensive Kendra Scott necklace, which is what we're opening right now. I love Kendra Scott, y'all. You know, on your birthday month, if you go, you get, I think it's half off for one item. Just once. But yeah, that's where we go for our birthdays now. Mine's in August, if you're wondering. I'm a Leo. Oh, y'all, look at this. It's layered. It's got 3 layers. Let me see, am I tangled? Squirrels are being troublesome again outside. Look at this, y'all. You've got the longest layer that has, if I'm not mistaken, those are freshwater pearls. I'll read about it in a second after we've looked at it a little bit. This is just, the second layer is just a chain. And the third layer has some beading to it. That is really pretty, y'all. And of course, they all have the signature Kendra Scott in here as well. And it's adjustable. So you can put it to whatever length you want it. Let's see what it says about it. Kendra Scott Scarlet multi-strand necklace in white pearl, $128. Y'all, I gotta put it on. You ever had that piece of jewelry that's so expensive that you're just scared to wear it? I have a few like that, like my first diamonds my daddy gave me, and I think I have a gold herringbone necklace that they gave me when I was little, and I still have it. Oh, look at that, y'all. I know it's not great with this graphic tee, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Can't see it very well in the camera to know how it fits or how it looks on my neck, but I am super excited about this, y'all. This t-shirt is already stretching out, y'all. It's my fault. I did it. All right, let me move on and stop talking about this one necklace. All right, this is a bracelet. I normally love bracelets. I used to wear them all the time. I've kind of gotten out of the habit of them because I tend to get them caught on my laptop when I'm typing. And some of them are a little noisy for when I'm, you know, not that it's not noisy right now because my air conditioner came on. Y'all, I normally have my windows open. What I do is I kind of push the door to just enough to where the cats can get through. And that way the whole house isn't being, you know, their air's going out right out the window. This room is a little shut off. Well, when my cats go through, they like to swing the door wide open. Makes the air conditioner come on. So, if you'll give me a minute, I'm gonna go turn that off. It'll go off in a minute, y'all. I've turned it up. It just takes a second to cut off, and I'm impatient. I want to keep opening this up, and I have to show you what I put on. So, I don't know if y'all can see this really well. Do this. Can y'all see that? It's kind of got little, I don't know if it's studs or a little cutout. It looks like there's studs or something in there. I don't know. I can't tell. It's pretty. I think that's cute. Let me see. Y'all, why is this thing not cut off? This is the Aster Brier cuff in gold, $46. The retail price is $55. There it goes. Hey, so yes, that is cute. All right, let's see what's in this last bag. My little chipmunk is out there. Oh, wait. There's two little chipmunks. I love the chipmunks. I think they're so cute. Now, the squirrels, I get on my nerves a little bit because they tear up my feeders. But I still like to watch them. I just wish they wouldn't eat all my food. Oh, y'all, look at these. Ava Rose. Those are beautiful. Let's see what it says. Ava Rose, Tacoma drops in gold, mother of pearl. My price would be $51. Retail price is $60. Y'all, I'm gonna be feeling serious chic when I put this stuff on. I'm gonna have to go change into a dress just so the jewelry matches my outfit. Got the regular back and then this little teeny tiny plastic back. Look at that, y'all. Is that not cool? See, there's the other bag, and there's the little plastic bag. Bevy. Alright. So, this is what was in my Rocksbox. I think these are gorgeous. This is cute too. If I kept everything, I would get a $10 discount and I would pay $215. You know I can't do that. You know I will never be able to keep this. If I kept anything, it would probably be these earrings because I think they are to die for. Cute. But for $51, I'm not sure if I will or not. I have to just kind of think on it. And I may have already spent my credit for this month, so we'll have to see how that goes. Let me know what you think. Comment, tell me what you would keep, what you would just wear and send back, if you liked this box, if you think they all go together or not. Because sometimes I'm curious about that, if some of the stuff they send together really matches or not. But anyway, y'all, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends. You know there is an actual share button where you could put me on your social media and we could get the word out about my channel. I would really appreciate that. It does help me. There will be a referral link below if you want to try Rocksbox. I kind of think you can get your first box free if you use my referral link. I will put that information down below so you'll know. It's in the description. All you have to do to get to the description is it will either say show more, and you push that show more button and it'll drop down and let you see everything that's down there, or there will be like a little arrow on the right side and you push that and it'll drop down. I don't know why it's different sometimes, but that's how it does. So anyway, like I said, I really hope you enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.